Then we have a NOT operator. NOT operator does what? We have seen the logical operation AND and OR. AND and OR, in this AND and OR, we require condition on the left hand side and right hand side, and we combine them. This result can be true, this can be false, or any of these. And we combine the true and false to get a single true and false. But NOT actually inverts. So this is like an inverter. When you pass true, it will give you false. When you pass false, it will give you true. So this negates. Basically, it negates. So this operator reverses the result of the expression it operates on. Just for example, if the expression evaluates to some non-zero value, any non-zero value, when you apply the NOT operator, it will give you 0. So NOT 5 is 0, NOT 555 is also 0, NOT minus 5 is also 0. So the final result after applying this, 0 or 1 is considered to be false or true respectively. So we'll take an example first of all, relational expression. Not y less than 10. So y less than 10, if it is y less than 10, not means not y less than 10. What we are trying to say is y is less than 10, the expression will be false since this is true. If this is true, not means it makes it false. So we can express the same condition like this only. Y less than 10 is equivalent to y greater than equal to 10. So this NOT operator is used often where we want to reverse the logical value of the single operation. That is, if not flag. This is another way of just saying if flag equal to 0. If not flag means not equal to 0. So it may seem somewhat confusing. So we usually do it when it is really required.